Oh shit. Who just got 4.7s in their dual cases? Nope, not that guy. Stu did. Don't know if he's gonna go anywhere, but we'll see. Yo, I just laughed at. You mean retarded low works on your shit? Did you put it together right this time?
Find out. No, but it is close.